Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create a Mailo Can Mockup in Photoshop. First, select the subject to isolate the can from the background. Press Ctrl+J to copy the can to a new layer. Select the rectangular tool to draw the mock-up base. Convert it to a smart object. Reduce the opacity to see the can underneath. Press Ctrl+T, then choose Warp to shape it around the can.
It was a smile. I was humming. You were whispering something. Did you feel it? Did you ever feel it? You said you felt it. You were in it. You wrong, baby. You got me wrong and I got you wrong, baby, baby. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. You got to see. You got me wrong and I got you wrong, baby, baby. Did you feel it? Did you really feel it? You said you felt it. You were in it. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know, baby. Baby, please listen to me. Please listen to me. Let me say what I gotta say. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Why, baby,
Now,
why?
set the opacity back to 100%. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask.
Did you pause for a minute?
Double-click the Smart Object to open. Drag and drop your design into the Smart Object file.
Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Why, baby, why? Why,
Go to
baby,
File
why?
Greater
Why,
than
baby,
Save to
why?
apply the changes to your mockup.
It was in the air.
Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the can layer.
Was humming.
Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Change the blend mode to multiply for a realistic shadow effect.
You said you felt it. You were in it.
Change the blend mode to multiply for a realistic shadow effect. Lower the opacity to blend it naturally with the can.
You got me wrong.
Reduce the opacity for a soft, natural look. Set the blend mode to color burn for deeper shadows and contrast.
got you wrong, baby.
Fill the opacity.
You got me wrong and I got you wrong.
Adjust the opacity for a balanced, natural finish.
To see. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Baby.
This is the final result. Thanks for watching. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.
Did you